Welcome. Welcome back, everyone. Hey there. Hello, Dominic. Long. All right. Let me check the chart. Oh, wow. What's happening? It's going up. Change in direction. I see. 26 to 1. All right. I'm going to move to break even here. I have a gold trade on right now. Where is it? No, it's not here. Here it is. Here's the gold trade I have on. It's already at break even, but I had some losses earlier. But I took partial already. So let's see how it goes. Bailey! Hey, welcome. Good to see you. Have you seen the London's Perfect? Oh yeah, I saw that. I saw that actually. That was amazing. That was amazing. What is happening here? NQ now a little bit sideways. Gold is pushing up. Anyways, let's see what NQ does. I think it wants to go back up there, wants to break that 300 level again. Pretty much that's the case. Jonathan! Good old pump and dump. Yeah, I guess it's in the cards as always. It would be interesting to see it dump again from these levels. Definitely move your stop on the next higher gap imbalance. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Divergence. Akram, welcome. You're saying there's a divergence, right? Oh yeah, there is. Or could be. Yeah, on the smaller as well. Let's see what it's doing. So far, gold is edging nicely up to those highs. I might gonna move the stop 26.8 maybe. Just to make sure about the commission and everything. Short is coming. All right. No divergence in the swirl. Okay, Master Isaac. On when the turn actually happens because you're not focused on the fact that it's turning its characteristics. How it's been. Oh yeah, I see what you mean there, Dominic. So it is possible to be able to spot turn with the naked eye. Just put observation. Yeah, chart time as always, right? It's always about chart time. Anyway, markets are about to open in less than 3 minutes. I'm trying to lock in as much as possible. On this gold run. Gold rush. Less than 2 minutes to go. Looks like still going higher. Not really. Let's go down to the 1 minute chart. Almost open. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Let's see how the markets will go now. So far the gold trade is somewhat okay. Going higher. NQ not really doing anything. Just standing one place. Gold trade is still good. Locked in some profit there. NQ just sideways now. Come on, gold. Just go up there. 7.9. Okay. Oh, almost hit my TP there. Darn it. Oh, it was so close. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Go for it. One more push. Come on. Oh, you have to go. Ah. Alright, closing it manually. I don't care. Closed it. It was a good trade. Closed it manually. Let's go. I'm happy about it, so it's alright. Should be pushing, right? Yeah, now it's pushing. Anyway, no problem. No problem at all. Okay, fine. What's happening? Sideways action, yeah. The gold trade, actually, it was a perfect one. I wanted to take early TP on that, so I'm really happy about the gold trade. Finally something good, you know? So let's see, what else do we have? Sideways action. No surprise there. Where's the pump? Yeah. I wasn't expect I mean I was expecting a strong push now, really, up to the 300s. And I just don't know what happened. I was really expecting a strong push. But you know, this is Friday, and I thought that maybe this will be the Friday rally. Excuse me. Corktown, good morning. So, where is this Friday push that we are all expecting? Uh, 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 uh. All right, finally. Finally, we see some movement. Let's go to the 1 minute. Small displacement here. Looking for this to expand, but it would, yeah, it would have been great to see this one repricing. There's a 5 minute gap. The 340 could be a good target up there, but definitely breaking the 300. That would be a nice place to go for it. I think it wants to go for it, right? Yeah, now it's breaking it. All right. Next level 340. Go to the 1 minute. Let's check it out. There is liquidity at 340, and we have news in 20 minutes, right? That's going to be in 20 minutes. All right, let's wait for it. Maybe it's going to reprice the first gap. Potential reversal, you know? Just curious. Still have time until the news. Doing expert in my funded futures is thinking by through that event. I think you can. Yeah. So it's not a major news event, the University of Michigan news. So yeah, you can hold trades through that event if you want to. So it's not restricted if that's what you're asking. But so far, this is just holding this position. 7 money bag, yo, what's happening? What up? What up? What up? You're back to Apex. Let's go. Let's go. I'm building accounts there too, but today was a little bit slow for me. On 2 Apex accounts, I only made about $60 each. So I'm still a little bit behind. Slow grind here. I would still like to see NQ push higher. But it's not doing it. Not for now. Sorry, quick phone call. I forgot the 30% consistency rule. I activated 3 pay accounts. And yesterday, today I lost 500 single trade and some back to profit. No, you didn't broke it. You didn't. No, you're fine. You're perfectly fine. So yesterday you made 300 and I lost 500. That's perfectly fine. You're okay. 100%. You're fine. You didn't break anything. Oh, 25k account. Hold on a second. That's 1600. Hold on. But it's all right. I think it's still just a soft rule. So the first payout is at 1600, right? That's 480. So don't worry about it. You're fine. You're fine. That means how much you went down? 500. Okay. So for example, 1700. You're fine. You see? So you're gonna do like $1,650. 1,607. How much is that? 16. Okay, you're fine. $1,670. Worst case scenario, you're gonna push the account up to $1,670, and you're gonna be perfectly fine. And you can request $500. I think you can request 500, right? So you will be left with $1,100, 1,170. So you should be perfectly okay, perfectly fine. Okay, not just $570. So a little bit more to push, but you're fine. Perfectly fine. No problem. No problem. 7 money back. You're absolutely fine. Even if you would have even if you would have gone down more like $700 ish, that would be still okay. Worst case scenario, you should just have to make a little bit more profit before asking for a payout. That's it. My plan to make 300. That's a good plan. That's absolutely a good plan. Make sure to have a strict risk management style, risk to reward, you know, all those things, and you should be absolutely fine. Look at NQ. Wow. Didn't made it there to those gaps. It's turning around. You know what? Ooh, there is something here. All right, volume, liquidity void. Sorry, liquidity void here. All right. Liquidity void. Down there. So what's it gonna be? I have to check this on the 5 minute here. Oh yeah, it's there. It's there. There's a liquidity void down there at 98. Terrible price action, but look at this. Look at this area right there at 99, 98. I'm telling you, I feel something. My spidey sense is saying that something is gonna happen to that level right there. Repricing right now. Entered a very, very, very small short position. Nothing fancy. I'm gonna keep a close eye on it. Seems like a bearish breaker, but we'll see if it goes places or not. Oh no, it's going against me. Ooh, not good. Might want to reprice higher. And the first fair value gap was this one. So let's see the reaction. I'm gonna try to give a different, oh, it's not good. Different color to it, but it seems like it's not gonna go good. Well, this is what happens. Too much risk. Oh man, I'm gonna be stopped out from this. I was really hoping for a nice sell-off. It's not happening. It's just not happening. Oh, come on. Anyway, let's hope for the best. All right, let's see. It's going up. Not good. Almost out from the trade. I was kind of hoping that this gap will turn this around, but it's just not doing it. Yeah, it's not. I'm out. I'm out from those trades. It is what it is. Let's see the next move. Bad situation. Crazy, crazy price action, that's for sure. What up? JT, we had the giveaway in the morning. Next one is Monday. Gotta stay tuned. I know you were late in the morning. What's happening? Any good trades so far? What is going on here? I really I can't read this price action right now. It's I don't know. It's difficult. Would love to see this waterfall down, but I'm not sure if it wants to at this point. Jeez. Yeah. Hold on until Monday, man. You missed the morning one in London session. uh, let's see. What's it gonna do right now? What's the goal here? Swept the highs, but I'm not sure what it wants to do about the lows down there. I have re-entered the short small one again. I would like to hold it all the way down, but damn it, it still wants to push it higher. Might close it manually if I have to. Yes, I'm in a short, Kesson. I'm in a short. Where is it? I already lost the short. Where is it? Here. So I exited the short earlier with a loss. My target would be down there at 104. But it seems like it's not gonna give up this level that easy. So that's my situation right now. Was hoping for a waterfall. Oh. Ah, the news. Okay. That's it. That's it. The waterfall didn't came through. 15 minutes. Leaving the long wick might go up. Yeah. Yeah, I think so too. Oh man. I was really hoping for this. Was looking good. It was looking good. Maybe it wants to break the highs again. Not so sure though. All right, it might want to go up to those 300. Well, actually double top there. So might want to push it. Still gonna wait a little bit just to see the reaction. There's a level at 340. Let's see. Is this gonna be a rally? Because it has to go to 340 then. That's the I think the 15-minute gap, the closest one. Oh, I gotta wait for this move. Maybe it wants to spike higher, you know, up to the 300s. It seems like that's the goal for now, but let's not go ahead. All right, what's happening? Is it going to break those highs or what's the deal here? Oh yeah, so we're going up there. Look at this. Next liquidity would be at 40. I don't know. I want to jump in. I don't think. I don't think I want to. I don't think I want to. But I think it's going to happen anyway. I had no entry so far that I could go with. The only thing I was looking for is it going to take the buy side or not. I have to go out and check something. Please, everyone, don't go anywhere. Give me a few minutes. I'll be right back. And just stay with me. We're going to wait for a good entry. So it's going to be an awesome Friday. All right? So I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, we're back. I had to run down to the garage again. Hey there, Zoltan. What's going on? Finally, we got to that 340 liquidity area, which is great. I'm curious how far we're gonna go. Bear coming. Let's see. Are they really coming? I don't see any bears so far, but that doesn't mean they can be coming. Interesting. Interesting. I think it can still go up, you know. What's up at the 400s? Nothing. What is the level down there? 24. Are we gonna have a buy at 24? Not sure. Could be having a volatility. Let me log into the chat. Alright, so far this CB is holding, but it could break through any moment, I think. So gotta be careful. Still feel like it might want to push. But I'm just gonna wait. So far today, I didn't trade on my MyFundedFutures, on the MyFundedFutures account. On the Apex accounts, I'm only up about $50 or $60 each. $70 here, 60 here. So overall green, but Bulenox accounts, I haven't traded them. My Take Profit Trader account, I traded a little bit. So far so good. Stuck here. We are stuck here. Must be careful though. Yeah, I feel like this gap should be, yeah, there you go. Should be completely repriced. All the way up to 70, I think. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Gold. Oh my god, I exited gold. I should have, anyway. Should have stayed there, right? But oh, look at this spike. Can still go. Hey, methodical man, the celebrity, the best trader. Applause. Welcome. How's the P&L? Well, actually, small green. These MyFundedFutures account this week in drawdown. I haven't traded them. I mean, I traded them this week, but overall below 50k. These funded accounts, and anyway, this one was even worse, but I'm also back to 50. And these Apex accounts, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 funded accounts above 1,180. This is at 679. I made $60 on each today, so not too much. $70 on this one, 791, 827, 847. The Bulenox accounts, 2 of them are up 1,231. Haven't traded on those today. 1,185. And the Take Profit Trader account this is test account, is up 286 today. And I have an Apex evaluation account up 266 today as well. The other Take Profit Trader, which was a free account or promo account, has been blown. It's blown. The 150k one is blown, unfortunately. But not today. But it happened. It happened. It just happened. Hey, Methodical Man, how you doing? I saw that you're a little bit sick. I hope you're doing better now. I hope you're doing better. You know, drink a lot of tea. Doing okay, okay. A lot of tea. Maybe put a little whiskey there or some spirit, you know. 75%. Okay, so you definitely need to drink some spirits there. Just to make sure. That's how we do it here in my country. So if we're sick a little bit, we got the flu, or let it be just COVID or whatever, you know. Whatever. Gotta make sure you drink the spirit. And then you will be just fine. You won't feel a thing. Oh. I don't have an entry here. I wish I would have something, but no. I actually had an entry on this system that I'm testing. Let me show you guys. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I guess you don't. Okay, maybe like this. So there was an entry here to go long on this point on NQ. Stop loss here. Look at this, beautiful 1-to-1, almost one, technically 1-to-2 risk to reward here. Boom. So I didn't take that. And on gold, the gold trade that I took was this one. Actually, this was the gold trade from here. Stop loss here, and final TP was here, and I took partial there. The one that I entered at the beginning of the stream. That was a good one. Look at NQ. Now it just wants to break the 36. It's gonna go for it. Look at that. Whew. Look at that. It's gonna cut through like butter. Yeah, there you go. 36, come on. Did it go for it already? I didn't see it. And now, okay, we have it. What a run. I must say, what a run. Jesus. Wow. And I do have a FOMO now. I just can't chase it on this level. Just can't chase it. Oh my god. The cat is eating the Christmas tree. Okay. This is highly. Oh my god, we're going to the 500s. What's it gonna be? Are we gonna break the 500 here or what? So it seems like we have the Friday rally. Wow. What a run. I can't do anything with this. It's just gonna go. Jeez. I wonder if this is gonna break the 500 or not. Sure seems like it wants, and it broke it. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, so now we got the 700. What's next? I just can't imagine what's gonna happen next. It's still going up. Oh my goodness. Previous day high, maybe? Technically, well, it's not a bearish shorter block, but geez. $698. Could that be? Up to 650 maybe. Yeah, it just broke the. Wow. So 530 up to 600. Unstoppable. What the heck is going on? What the heck is going on here? The Christmas rally is here, or what? I don't have an entry here. I can't do anything with this kind of price action. Oops. You're holding long? Smoking some good crack. Oh yeah, they're doing it. I'm sure they're doing it, Jonathan. Satoshi is holding to the long. Wouldn't be surprised if it would break above the 600s, you know. I do have a bit of a FOMO here. All right, pulling back. Is this the pullback that we are waiting for? No, no, no. I didn't use MACD. I have a indicator system, basically exponential moving averages. That's it. It's a little bit mixed up with a bit of a zigzag and fractal indicators, but basically that's it. Sometimes that's what I use. I mean, it's not my main entry, but it was just interesting to see that I had an entry signal here on Nasdaq at 21,315 ish area. Stop loss here, and look at this. 1 to 3 risk to reward right there. I had another trade in the morning. Short here. Boom. These are not signals, but still interesting. Let's see, 560. Yeah, I think that's what it's gonna do. Look at this, man. I mean, I have to look at the 1 hour, what's happening. I'm gonna put a line to 550 here. You know, that's a round number. Not sure if it's gonna go there, but but I must say, wow. Well, not too much is happening. I was waiting for a proper reversal, which I don't think is gonna happen. And I was watching that level down there, that volume imbalance. Would have been interesting if it would broke down here, then it should have gone there. How far is that right now? Almost 400 points. It's not going to go down there. I don't think it's going to go down into that level. We're just too much in the highs. It's too high to go short and too high to go long. That's the issue here. Oops, sorry. Just a second. Quick phone call. I'm here. Nothing is moving. Nothing is happening. It's just a typical Friday with the Friday rally. I'm thinking if we're gonna break the 550 or not. That's what I don't understand. Are we gonna go for it or not? Okay, looks like a little bit of a push here. Maybe the macro is working. Not sure though. I feel like it's gonna push the highs. Maybe up to the 50s. Not sure. But it looks like a bull flag. You know. Maybe that wants to go through the 540. The more it's hovering here, the more it's likely that yeah, just like now, it's gonna spike lower. Take some levels from down there. But let's stay focused for now. Okay, here's the push. Should be going to the 50s. You give this short a try? Okay, but be careful with the 50 push, you know. We can never know. We can never know if it wants to, you know, the 50 is a round number, but it's up to you. Just be careful. Just be careful, you know. Here's the 50 push. There. Okay. So now you can think of a short maybe. But, you know, just be careful. Maybe now could be a possible short, but I would be careful with the shorts. That's what I say. We have still a level here, which is somewhat significant from yesterday. A PM session high at 96. So I think, you know, 600 could be also a possible target. Look at that, one tick away from 600. I wouldn't say it's coincidence, but just be careful. I'm still waiting. But if you notice, there's a huge fair value gap on the daily. Oh, there is. Yeah. Previous day high 698, which is technically a bearish order block. So yeah, you're absolutely right, Nintendo. Yeah, so the biggest possibility right now is that the order flow overall in the big picture should be bullish and continuing above 600. So yeah. What if I want to enter maybe along here? I don't know. No, I just can't. It's just not my entry. The reset is $100, Akram. I'm not sure if the only thing I don't know is if you type in my coupon or anybody's coupon, is it giving you an extra discount? I'm not sure about that, Akram, but you can try it out. But as far as I know, it's $100. The reset. Or if you're getting closer, depends on which type of account you have. If you have a 50K account and you're getting closer to your rebill date, then maybe it's smarter because it's almost the same price to buy a new account. Just saying. It's up to you, obviously. Short-term sell. Nintendo, I wouldn't go into a sell here. I would be very, very, very cautious. There's no structure break to the downside. It's still bullish. It's just sweeping some orders. It can take the stairs, you know, sweep orders below 487, maybe 480, you know, take some orders slowly, and then boom, taking one more big step up to the 600s. For me, there's absolutely no entry model to go short here, even though there's a small tiny gap here, and this one is a structure shift with the wick, but there's no big displacement here. I'm just not into the shorts yet. What I think can happen is slowly it's gonna grind, take some levels down here, you know, until the lunch hour or whatever, and then boom, buy program initiating again. That could be happening, you know, taking up orders and then boom, going again. But have this one stretched out all the way through the lunch hour. So we have the lunch hour here. I'm gonna zoom out. So there's the launch hour, and you know, come on, something like this, launch hour, and then boom, you know, maybe, but I have no entry. I get out of the short right now, the push down, and we will see. Yeah, here we go. All right, good luck with it. Good luck. And you know, if you're short, for example, here there's a fair value gap. You might have already jumped in, but there's a gap here. If you want to take a proper short, you can take that. But if you're already in it to win it, then I would say, let's check the 5-minute fib here. Golden level is at almost at 400. So take partials, at least take partials somewhere at 460, low hanging fruit, if you're short. But I told you why I would not take a short, because I think it's extremely bullish today. So this is the gap on the 1 minute. As I said, it's not a strong sell signal for me, and that's I think it could take the highs again, you know, push it into the 50s. I think everybody wants to go short, and that's why it could be squeezing them out. Not in. All right, just watching. Be careful. You know, just be careful. Just be careful. It could be a trap, as Admiral Akbar would say it. Could be a trap. And as you see, it went up there nicely and just going, just like that. Took out this high. It's going for the 600 now. I'm almost sure. What a price action. I say this is interesting, but I still don't have an entry. However, I would love to have one. I just don't have one. It's like unstoppable. But the actual entry would have been around 21,550. It's flagging yes, line fill trap. Yes, exactly. Seems like it's heading into the daily. Yeah, it wants to go. So previous day high, which is also a daily fair value gap, you know, right up there. So breaking through the 600 would be a must for price. Tempted to jump in to go for the 600, but I don't know. All my gut feelings are telling me that 600 will be taken. I still can't. I just can't enter. I can't. I wish I could. Man, I don't know. It's not my entry model. It's not my trade. Dude, it's so tempting. It's so tempting. I can't. Look at this. I can't enter. I just can't. Oh yeah, trust me, it's super hard to hold myself back. Usually when I enter here, it's, oh my god, the FOMO is kicking in. The FOMO is kicking in. So when I enter here, it's usually doing this and then going up. This is how I end up entering here. And I don't want this to happen. Early profit taking, we could be seeing a possible pullback down to the 80s, but it's just going through. Okay, there you go. It's done. It's done. And you know what? There's another 100 points up there, ready to go. Insane few days, yeah. You're out. Congratulations, Satoshi. Congratulations. Yeah, it's very intense. Very, very, very intense. I'm still fighting with some FOMO, and I think it would be better for me just to walk away from this. Seeing this and seeing all these levels that I was anticipating. Oh, the FOMO. The FOMO is kicking in. Anyway, let's see how I'm doing for today. On this Apex account, I was scalping all over $123. On this one, I'm up to 27. These are funded. These ones are only up 70 bucks and 60 bucks each. 80 bucks here. And so far that's it. The MyFundedFutures accounts are still in drawdown. The Take Profit Trader account is a test account. Is up to 86. Okay, so here's the pullback. By the way, Tick Trader has still the instant funded account sale. Check it out. And if you click on my link and use the code gift card, you can gift a funded account for someone for Christmas. Yeah. So you can also use my name as the code as usual. I totally forgot to say. What up, Fresh Delgado? You haven't traded in a month? What is happening with you, man? What's going on? What's the problem? I have now broken the previous weekly high, yeah. How you doing, Fresh Delgado? What's happening? What is going on? Yes, I trade on Quantower Excels. I have Quantower. Here it is. Here's my Quantower. Or here. Yes, I have copy trader. I have multiple copy traders set up. As you can see, I'm copy trading funded accounts, Bulenox, Apex, evaluations, MyFundedFutures. Right now it's turned off, but I'm copy trading these. Yeah. I was copy trading today Apex accounts, 2 groups, but yeah. Take Profit Trader. Everything has been connected. Except Bulenox, because Bulenox, I mean, I'm copy trading Bulenox in between Bulenox accounts, but the new rules, you know, they don't let you to copy trade. But I think so far the Quantower built-in copy trader is just awesome. I do like it. And good to have you on the stream, by the way. How to eliminate varying fills when executing market orders. If I use 10 contracts, I'll get 4 filled and 5 filled at and 1 filled at, for example. There is no solution for that. I know what you mean, Excels. You can't do anything with the market orders because the copy trader, you know, it's everything is based on milliseconds, especially on NQ when the market is moving, or or vice versa, when the market is not moving, there is not enough liquidity, and the slippage is also like could be differential like every millisecond. So if you push a market order on the master account, there's no way that you can synchronize it for the same exact to the tick point on a market order. There's no way to do it. No way. Especially if the market is really moving. So for example, when NASDAQ is shaking like crazy, you push the market order, I can guarantee you, I don't see these issues. I was copy trading on NinjaTrader last year. I was using Replicanto. I had the same issue. I mean, there's always going to be 1 or 2, depending on how many accounts. So if you're copy trading between 2, 3 or more accounts, yes, I use Tradeaway. I use it now as well with Tradeify. Although I didn't really copy trade with Tradeaway too much, because Tradeaway is not able to copy between multiple prop firms, right? I have heard people complaining about similar issues as well, or some ghost orders appearing, or for example closing the trade, but the copy trader didn't close the order or the trade on a slave account, or for example somebody deleted an order, a limit order, and it was still on the slave account. I heard issues like this on Tradeaway from some people. But from my experience, if you enter with the market order, it can be NinjaTrader, it can be Quantower. If you copy trade, there's going to be 90%. A few of your accounts are going to be slipped with 1 or 2 ticks. So it's not going to be exactly the same. And it's in the cards. You know, there's nothing we can do about it. That's how this copy trading business goes, you know. Not much to do. Makes sense, man. I just hate losing extra. Depending sells on how much is your risk, you know. I suppose you are going with minis, not micros, but it's up to you. I mean, I'm not judging. Depending on how many contracts are you trading, what is your stop loss? You know, if you're trading with a very tight stop and you're trading with minis, then obviously it makes sense. So a few ticks can make $100 difference. So I completely understand you. But if you're going for 20, 30, 50 points, whatever, and you trade with micros, it doesn't really make it a difference. So, and you know, drop it down to 2 minutes when funded. Oh, down to 2 minutes. But you know, congratulations. I couldn't go with 2 minis on the funded. 10 minis on the YM. Jeez. But hey, again, I'm not judging. If you can do it, if you have the nerves, you have a tight stop or anything. I mean, if you have a proper risk management style or strategy to it, then why not? I'm just saying that with 2 minis, especially if it's wiggling, and with YM, there is a bigger slippage than with NQ. Then those few ticks here and there, that can happen. That can happen. Oh, you use 10% of your initial drawdown per trade. Okay. All right, then that's good. You know, that's good. That is actually good. So you know where to put your stop. You are using a proper stop loss. That's actually good. You know how to handle risk. That's good. 9 trades until below the account. Perfect. I mean, in the sense, like, it's perfect because now you definitely know you have a system. You know what to do. You know where to place your stops. You know. Well, it's been a bit slow. I'm not gonna deny, but you know, I just showed this earlier. These Apex accounts today, I'm up this one 123, but I had to start everything from scratch this month. So this is at 1,248. This is 842. Today I made 227 on this funded account. And these Apex accounts, I only made about 60, 70, and 80 bucks, but I'm up to almost $800. This is 827, 847. The Bulenox accounts are up 1,031. I didn't trade on this one today. I think I won't even push it. 1,185. My MyFundedFutures funded accounts are still in drawdown. It's down almost a little bit more than $600. And this one is down $13. But this was much worse conditions, so I managed to pull that off. And the Take Profit Trader new test account is at 1,129. The Tradeify account on Trader Weight is at negative $100. And the Tick Trader account, I have a new one. It's brand new. I haven't even traded on it. So, yeah. You trade with Top Step, MyFundedFutures, and Funding Pips. Nice. Let's go. Rene, the dev. What up? You're new to the channel? And to day trading. Whoa. What's your advice on getting into day trading? Well, you know, there's so many advices here, Rene. And first of all, let me welcome you with an applause. Quick answer to sales first. I'm gonna get to you, Rene. So sales, I'm trading ICT concepts, but let me say that I'm not a cult member. So I'm not a blind follower, cult member from ICT. I just like smart money concepts. And in the past couple of months, I'm testing exponential moving averages. This is a MetaTrader indicator that I'm using moving averages to fine tune my entries. That's all. So combining it with some ICT stuff. But back to you, Rene. So advice. If you're new to day trading, Fabio, hey there. Doing great. Exactly. So if you're absolutely new to day trading, I suggest you install a demo account, which is free. You know, you can have one for free at NinjaTrader, MFutures, whenever. If you have never ever know anything about day trading, I suggest you go to babypips.com. Again, it's called babypips.com. You can Google it. Learn about candlestick patterns. Learn about basic market structure. You know, if you're starting from scratch, you definitely have to know about total basics like candlesticks, how the markets are working. You know, babypips.com. They have a free course for absolute beginners, and you know, you can go through it. That's what I would do. I don't know. I'm not sure how much experience you have. Maybe you know something about candlesticks, but maybe it's not the time for you to go into prop firm. You know, first you might have to be comfortable learning about candles, the markets, and maybe have a demo account and you know, try to play on it for a little bit, you know. Kuko 500 days in NQ, not a new normal. Oh yeah, 500 point day or tick days or point days. Time for nano contracts. Yeah, I have to size down. I don't know how you guys feel, but mentorship was huge for me in success. Yeah, so sales. Again, no disrespect for Michael Huddleston, aka ICT, I learned a lot of stuff from ICT, a lot. Like really, I am extremely grateful for him putting on all that lectures, the teachings, all the videos. It's free. I'm very grateful for all those materials. I have actually, oh, I can show you. So I'm a dinosaur, and I have notebooks like these. You know, I note down what I learn, and I always read about it. I watch the videos, so I really try to learn. The only thing about ICT is that it's not really a thing. Is that I found myself having a little bit more focused and disciplined when I implement some on my own. You know, for example, here the moving average thing, or maybe something else. I have it on since almost a year now. That I have a mechanical approach, but my main focus is still on the concepts. You're still in the long term. You're still in the euro yen. What is happening on the euro yen? Jeez. Wow. Fabio is long from somewhere here. Good. Congratulations. Congratulations, Fabio. Technicals, you make it 1 week advice, you don't stay. Yes. I'm starting from scratch. So yeah, Rennie, let me just show you something. So this is it, babypips.com. I'm not sure if you see it. babypips.com. Oh, come on. So there's a how to trade forex, learn, you know, learn to start learning. You know, if you go here, just start there. You know, what is forex? You can start with forex. Don't worry about it. It's gonna be similar to futures. So you or you can just learn crypto. No trading, trade ideas, trading systems. Anyway, I would go with this. Kindergarten. There you go. Forex brokers, elementary, support and resistance levels, Japanese candlesticks, Fibonacci, moving averages. If I were you, I would go through all this stuff, and this is free. This is free. And trust me, it is very good for basics. It's very, very good for basics. And you unlock all this. Trust me, you're going to be having a very busy holiday season now. So this is absolutely great. So go with the Forex, and then it will be super easy to understand futures as well. So everything you need about basics, moving averages, pivot points, candlesticks, everything you can actually don't anyway, I'm not gonna say anything. You can skip some theories there, but anyway, the basics are there, and start there. You know, just BPR. All right. Concept, not a strategy. NQ sitting. Yeah, look at that. I think it wants to take the daily fair value gap up there. I just can't enter along here. You know, I have no entry. It's going up like crazy. As I used to say, it's too high to go long and too high to go short, and it's obviously gonna go for 700. Come to party. ICT has, yeah, ICT was posting on Baby Pips too. I was reading his articles years ago. Yeah. So start with there. Start with there. Or I mean start there. Oh, sorry, English is not my native language, and sometimes I'm just too tired to express myself properly, but man, I wish I would have been in this ride all the way up. But I just can't enter. Yeah, jump on the course, is free, and just go over the basics. And in the meantime, you can open a free demo account somewhere, you know, and practice some entries, risk management, you know, and give yourself time. It's not going to happen overnight. For many people, including myself, it takes years to even reach payouts, and not even just from prop firms or from your personal account, you know. So just it takes time, but if you're dedicated, it will be working. Some people who are smart, which is not me, some people can make it in a few months or even faster. I'm a slow learner. I'm an idiot. I'm a total trader, and I burn myself time to time, but it took me years, and I'm still not constantly profitable. But do not buy prop firm accounts right now at this point. That's for sure. Okay, we have a bit of a pullback here. Nothing fancy. Uh, 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 uh. Rhythmic issues, yeah, of course. And not just at one brokerage, I mean one prop firm. Rhythmic issues were happening at Apex. It was happening at Take Profit Trader. It was happening at MyFundedFutures. MyFundedFutures had so enough of rhythmic that since then they said they're permanently cutting lines with rhythmic traders, so they don't even offer it anymore. So MyFundedFutures had issues. So basically, almost all the prop firms, Bulenox had issues. Almost all the prop firms had issues with rhythmic, including myself between all these. I mean, not too often. I mean, since Apex this year, they said the issue has been solved since they were buying personal servers for their clients. And since then, I must say that there was no major issues. It was a month ago since last time Apex had an issue with Rhythmic. I mean, not too often, I must say. Sometime we had some issues last time with Bulenox and Take Profit Trader and MyFunded. Last time during the summertime or late summer, in September, I would say maybe September. Since then, not too many. Fast Track Trading, which obviously we know what happened, had some major issue, but I think they were just not ready to manage the clients. Anyway, I don't know the details, but and even though when there was issue with Rhythmic, both Apex, MyFundedFutures, Top Step also, and all the other ones, everyone made it right. So they reset your account or deleted your lost trades or something, you know. So usually everything was solved properly. Yeah, MyFundedFutures is DX feed. I think they have CQG as well. Or is it the same? But yeah, they're focusing on DX feed now. Yeah. Yeah. What about gold? Look at gold. Wow. We actually went all the way up there. How far can it go? I think this was the move from gold. And from now on, it's done. There's one more thing that's left, and that's NQ. NQ is left. I'm not sure if it will push it until the lunch hour or not. We have the macro in about 20 minutes. Oh my god, look at this. It's still going. What the heck is going on here? Is it gonna go to the 90s? Is it gonna go to the 90s? Seems like it does. Yes, I'm a full-time trade, but to be honest, I would not be here without the affiliate commissions from all the people who are supporting me on the channel. I wouldn't. I mean, the best month for me for payouts was October this year. I made $9,000 from multiple prop firms, and last month I made $5,000. So I'm not constantly profit. This month I'm at zero right now. But without the affiliate commissions, I couldn't be here full time because, for example, the first half of the year, I wasn't really making payouts for almost 5 months. So, and I never denied this, you know. Crazy markets here, I must say. Crazy, crazy markets. Yeah, what do you think about possible dump before the market closed? When? I mean, today? I think today it should take out that daily fair value gap. Yeah, crazy pump. I knew you were holding it. I knew. Do these live streams draw in? Well, yes and no, because sometimes when I put out some review videos, that also helps, but definitely live streams help a lot. And you know, I'm trying to build up a community, but I'm streaming since 2022, and it was a slow grind. You know, it was a slow grind. Sales, it was really a slow grind, and many times I was streaming in the London session. We sometimes have 120 people. I also had like 150 in the London session. In New York, everybody is streaming, so I don't usually have that many viewers. But for many time, I was streaming for 2 or 5 people. So it was a slow process. It was a very, very slow process. And I would say that in the first couple of months, I was streaming for, yeah, 2 or 5 people, and that's it. And I was working full time for an insurance company, and this year I switched full time for being here on YouTube. But I consider my YouTube as a business as well, because, you know, what can I say? This is the real truth, and I'm not constantly profitable. So I'm really thankful, and that's why I'm gonna do some giveaway on Monday and Tuesday too. Christmas giveaway, and I try to do giveaways every month, cash giveaways for the community. sent the trades. I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna check it. Yeah. I sold insurance for 3 years. The industry changed. Oh yeah, definitely a negative way. Sales. Me too. I was a salesman for the insurance company, and yeah. Nice trades there, Tomasz. Nice trades. Bro, you are holding it. And there you go. Here's the final TP. Almost. For price. Not for me, unfortunately. Not for me, but it should be pushing through 98. Yeah. And Nertendo, I also want to say to you, oh, there you go. There you go. This was the move. And now, after this level, it's done. You know, this is it. From this level, whatever happens, I don't know what's gonna happen. Short 98. Be careful. It could be a turtle soup, you know, going down. You're still holding it. All right. Well, it can go. You know, there's a lot to go here. Next stop, 933 or something. I'm not gonna hold it for that. That's for sure. My god, it's unstoppable. Unstoppable. Oh yeah, I just wanted to say that I really appreciate every one of you for being here and joining the streams, and you know, anyone who were using my codes this year, and for the support and everything. It really means a lot. And yeah, this is going. Thank you, Satoshi. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is really going, man. The problem is I'm feeling more and more FOMO right now. It's a good stream. Thank you so much, Nintendo. If you're not green today, you need to go to work at a bakery. I'm green. I'm green today. Small green though, but hey, I was just trading with micros and going for small steps. You know me, I'm a turtle trader. But I'm green. I am green. I just couldn't find an entry here on the way up. You know, I was scared to jump in on these highs. But this was, man, what a move. You're done? John, I'm happy for you. Here's the, Roman, here's the 50% retracement on the daily. Oh yeah, it could be. Yeah, there you go. We're at the 50% level. Right on. Okay. Okay. Anything, exactly, Nintendo. Now here we are at no man's land. You know, anything can happen. We can just continue higher, push it to the 22k level. NQ can do anything, you know, or it can just drop down and squeeze every long position. No idea. On the 5-minute, there is a bit of a buy side level here at 850, 860 ish level. I'm not jumping in. No way. I'm not. I can't. I can't. I think this is it. How are the accounts doing? Yeah, I'm okay. I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine with this. I don't want to mess around. The Take Profit Trader account is good. Okay, I'm not gonna mess around with it. I don't want to give back profits. Think about option expression. Oh yeah, we were talked about it, John. You said it, I think, earlier in London session or yesterday. I don't know. Lots of things got assigned. Yeah. Triple witch. Exactly, you said it. Nico, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, Satoshi, I am not gonna give back $1 to the market. It's Friday and I'm green. Even if it's a small green, I'm gonna keep that feeling for the weekend. And what do you guys think? Is it gonna be worth the trade on Monday? Is it gonna be something happening Monday or Tuesday? Should we push it, or maybe just some evaluation accounts? Maybe, I'm not sure. Should we be pushing it with some evaluation accounts? You know, fooling around. Let's go, John. I think price will be great next week and the rest of this year. Yeah, that's why I'm saying, you know, leave the funded accounts a little bit, you know, alone, and maybe start to fool around on evaluation accounts next week. You know, Nico. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, what can I say? It's been a great day. It's been a great week. I'll be back, of course, on Monday, obviously. But so far, I just cannot call a new trade here on No Man's Land. And since it's almost lunch hour, Eastern Standard Time, in my time is dinner time, but I still have to go buy some Christmas stuff. And I think this is it for me for Friday, everybody. In the green, small green, but green, and this is it. So I just want to say thank you so much, everybody, for the support, for being here all week. I'll be back on Monday. If you would like to support the channel, please use my codes and links. No activation right now with Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures. Check it out. Use the code. No activation fee, and you get the discounts. Bulenox down to 80%. 1 day pass. Check it out. Apex still at 50%. And Tick Trader instant funded accounts 35% off. And of course 40% on the evaluations. Check out the link in the description. The code is the same. Check it out. Thank you everybody so much. Vivian, thank you. Good to see you, Vivian. Thank you so much, Vivian. I appreciate it very much. And everybody for the support. I'll be back for Monday. And there will be more giveaways. So stay tuned. Have an awesome weekend. God bless you all. And I'll be back on Monday, all right? Cheers, everybody.